Hello there and welcome to type I, verbal reasoning 11 plus type of questions. Let's show you exactly what we need to do here. So the question says choose a number that will complete the sum correctly. So here we're going to use a method which is actually called BODMAS. So let me just write this down. So B stands for brackets. O means operations, but we can say open in this case, open the brackets. D is division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for add. And S stands for subtract. This is a type of rule that we have to use when we use longer type of maths equation questions. Now this doesn't necessarily apply to the first question that we can see in front of us now, but with the rest of the questions it will do. So let's just work these out as we go along. So first of all, we just have to make sure that the equations are balanced on both sides of the equal sign. So 20 times 3 is 60, so we'll just put 60 down there. So 35 add what number will give us 60? So 35 add 25 will give us 60. So now you've got both sides of the equations balanced. Okay, so that's how you work out these questions. But let's just quickly move on to the next question. I'll show you how the BODMAS actually works. So we'll go for 25 here. Okay, so now we've just come to one of the example questions where we can actually use the BODMAS formula. So first of all, we always have to open up the brackets if there are brackets. If there are no brackets, let's move on to the next one, which is D, division. Can we see a division question there? No, we can't. So in that case, let's move on now to the next stage, which is M, and that's multiplication. Can we see multiplication in this question? Yes, we can. So let's do the multiplication side of things first. So first we're going to do 3 times 2, which is going to be 6. So let's just write 6 here on top. And then straight after the multiplication, we have the addition. So let's now finish off this equation. So 6 add 9. So remember, we've got 2 different parts here that we need to work out. So 6 add 9 is going to be 15 in total. So let's just put 15 here on top. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 add 9 is 15. Now, on the right-hand side of the equation, 20 take away what number is also 15, because you remember we're trying to balance the equation on both sides. So 20 take away 5 in this case is going to be 15. So please make sure that you use the BODMAS equation. So brackets, if there are any brackets, then open them. If there aren't any brackets, then just move on to the division first of all, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. But please make sure that you follow the correct order of BODMAS. Good luck with the rest of these questions. Thank you.